Principal Ma'am, my teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Piyush Akrana from class 6th. Theme of today's assembly is based on World Nature Conservation Day. It is ecosystem restoration. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Nakul from class 6 Mount Litera School, Agra. Ecosystem restoration means to assist in ecosystems recovery which has been degraded by deforestation, pollution and other human activities. It can also be promoted by taking measures to conserve the ecosystem which is still intact. Ecosystem restoration can be done in other ways including planting trees, greening cities, cleaning up rivers and coasts, rewilding gardens, rich biodiversities and green ecosystems yield immense benefits. Thank you.
The importance behind this theme is to focus on the nature conservation and to the mind that environment should be not taken as granted. This reminds us that we should live sustainably on this green-blue dot. Thank you.
Very good morning to the principal of Mount Litera School, to my all teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aditi Singh of grade 6. Today I am here in front of you to present a slogan. We cannot turn back the time, but we can grow trees, clean our cities, rewild our garden, clean up the rivers and coast. We are the generation that can make peace with the nature. So let's get active, not anxious. Let's be bold, not timid. Let's come up with a slogan. If you can't use it, refuse it. I repeat, if you can't use it, refuse it. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, honorable teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Nidul Rawat from class 6. Everyone please join your hand and close your eyes. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tasaviturenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tasaviturenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tasaviturenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Everyone please join your hand. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ajat Bagel from class 6. Thought of the day: in every work with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. I repeat, in every work with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, teachers and my friends. My name is Vansh Kaushik and I study in class 6. Today I am going to sing a song on environment. The song title is Hum Hi Jenge. So let's start. फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे। हम हैं तो तुम हो तो हम, इंसान हो तुम, प्रकृति हम हैं तो तुम हो तो हम, इंसान हो तुम, प्रकृति हमें जीने दो, हमें खिलने दो, हमें पानी दो, हमें लगने दो, हमें जीने दो, हमें खिलने दो, हमें पानी दो, हमें लगने दो। दुनिया हमारे रंगों से भर दो, खुशियाँ हमारी हरियाली कर दो। हम यहीं रहेंगे, हम यहीं रहेंगे, हम यहीं खिलेंगे, हम यहीं खिलेंगे।
morning everyone. I am Kritajan of class 6. Today as our class going to conduct special assembly. I am going to give a dance performance on Mat Kaato Mujhe Dukhta Hai, song based on our theme ecosystem restoration. Thank you.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। हाँ, बड़ा दुखता है, हाँ, दुखता है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है।
The world is so beautiful because of its natural resources. So it is our duty to preserve it. Thank you.
Save the trees, save the earth. We are the guardians of our nature's birth.
Hello friends and my respective teachers. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July in every year around the world.
In the trees, in the breeze, seek nature, peace of knees.
The earth is very beautiful because of its natural resources, so it is our duty to preserve it.
Dispose of mass properly and stop the mass pollution.
And use washable masks. Save water, save earth. Thank you.
Hello, I am Riyan Shadav and I study in class 6. Today I am saying a slogan on Nature Conservation Day. Our green revolution is only a solution to save nature.
Good morning everyone, my name is Daksh Sharma from class 6. Today on the occasion of World Nature Conservation Day, we will take an oath to conserve our earth and ensure that the resources are available for future generation also. Let's start.
I pledge to be a waste warrior. I will buy things smartly by reducing consumption to only whatever is needed, not desired.
Agra, I pledge to save electricity. I will use energy efficient bulbs to reduce greenhouse gas.
I pledge not to waste water. I will turn off the water tap while brushing or doing any other work.
I pledge to plant a tree to affect the loss of vegetation due to industrialization otherwise around the globe.
Pledge to eat sustainable food and choose food from farmers that aim to conserve natural resources and have a little impact on the land.
I pledge to walk and take public services to my destination for at least 2 days a week.
My name is Ananya Gupta of class 6 and today I will conduct some current affairs between you. The current affairs are: India gets its 39th World Heritage Site, the Govinda Temple in Telangana. Amit Shah launches Green Sloha afforestation comparison as Sloha Cherrapunji. China to cultivate world's first clear nuclear reactor. Sumit Nagpur, third Indian tennis signals match at Olympics. Tokyo 2020, nearby Chano bagged silver. India plans to create power ice landing system. India boxers win in the oldest world championship. Government announcements: court will to register children impacted by COVID-19. Nesro historic urban landscape project launched by for Gwalior Orchha. India forces answer to touch all-time high of $6.12.73 billion. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Anakha Verma and I study in class 6th. Today I am going to take the pledge. So please stand on your position and raise your right arm in front of you and take the pledge with me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Standards, attention! जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे